while I sat here this morning, I'm getting reports about the teachers in the country, deeply concerned about the outcome of the compensation review. That compensation review is a result of a 2015 agreement between the government of Portia Simpson Miller, Peter Phillips at Finance, and the trade unions. I signed on that agreement. A key part of that review was to be comparability. It was to really improve the public sector workers. And I must say, President, that I am disappointed with the outcome. Let us be clear. The teachers weren't treated fairly. The police officers weren't treated fairly. The correction officers, the firefighters, and a large group in the middle were not treated fairly. And I, as spokesperson public service for the opposition, give the commitment that when we return to power, we're going to fix the problem in that review. We're going to have regard for comparability. We're going to have regard for comparability and to treat those workers properly. We give that commitment.